Let's see if you guys can do this one here. You are on a Ferris wheel, right here. The radius of the wheel is 10 meters, and when you are here, the angle that it makes to the horizontal is 63 degrees, and and this the very bottom part of the wheel is 1 meter above the ground. I want to know when you are here, what is your height above the ground? So basically, what is this height here? I want to know this height here. Okay, so just remember that if the wheel has a radius of 10 meters, then this here must also be 10 meters, and then don't forget it's 1 meter above the ground. Okay, so all in all, I want to know this this height here, okay, this height here. So press pause and think about it. Work out so you're here. Work out the height above the ground. So press pause and have a go. Okay, here it's about using your imagination here. Visualize that this is a right angled triangle here. Okay, you are trying to find out. Let's say y here. It could be x. It could be anything. Okay, so y will represent this bit here. Well, the sun is here. Okay, using our technique, the sun is always opposite of the angle. The sun is here. The C would be here. Okay, because it joins the angle up with the right angle, and two things that are in play are this and this. So the adjacent is not in play. So the sun has two rays coming out. Sorry, two rays coming out. So it will be it's either a sine to heaven or it's a tan. Well, it can't be a tan because the adjacent is not in play. So we have to use sine. So we know it's sine. So it will be sine the angle, which is 63. Sine 63 equals y, because you start at y here and then you hit the hypotenuse, so it would be this. Now get y on its own, so times both sides by 10, so it would be this. Sine 63 equals y. Remember that this is just a number. Okay, you punch this into a calculator and it would just basically represent a number. Well, whatever that number is, you times 10 and it will give you this height here. So y equals this, 10 sine 63. Now so our total height, we've got to add this distance here, which is, well, if the radius is 10 here, then this distance here must also be 10, and then we've got another meter above the ground. So in total it will be 11 meters. So total height, equals, well, this y here, which is 10 sine 63, and then we've got to add it to this height here. This height here is well, remember 10 here plus the 1, so it'd be plus 11. Okay, so this would be your answer here. Height equals 10 sine 63 plus 11. Okay.